Hey guys, welcome to my channel, All Things GarageBand. I'm Jeremy Haws. This is a quick tutorial on how to make sure that all your plugins show up correctly. Like your guitar amps, bass amps, like your third-party plugins like the MV Meter 2 by TB Pro Audio. Because it's like, this is the most commonly missed thing when you're first starting out in GarageBand is how to make sure that when you go in, when you click on those plugins, they show up right, you know? So without further ado, let's get started. Woo! Alright guys, if you guys want to follow along, I'm going to open up GarageBand here. And I'll start on a new project to show you guys how this works. So here we go. New project, choose. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and just pick a guitar or bass. No, let's start with this. We'll start with Microline. No big deal. We're just showing you how to get the plugins to work. So let's get it done. Alright, so first off, I'm going to go down to the plugins here. And I'm going to go pick, like, say, I'm going to go pick an amp designer. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so obviously you can see right here it's not the actual amp. You should be able to see the amp so you can actually see what type of amp head and cabinet and microphone it has. Okay, and because I got a lot of comments on, like, when I did the MV Meter 2, the free third-party plugin by TB Pro Audio. It's a VU meter because GarageBand doesn't come with a good one. When I did that one, I forgot that this happens a lot of times with GarageBand in the very beginning. If you haven't unchecked something in the settings, they'll show up like this. So like as the MV Meter 2, let me do that real quick. That will show up like this, and you need to see the little hands and the dBs and all that. So I'm going to show you guys right now. This is a really simple fix, okay? Really quick. So we're going to go over here to GarageBand under the settings. We're going to go to settings, not your system settings for the Mac, but settings for GarageBand, okay? And it's right here, GarageBand General. Go down to Open Plugins in Control View by default. Uncheck this bad boy, okay? Now we can close this. Now check this out. Amp Designer. There you are. There's your Amp Designer. Here's your MV Meter 2. Voila. Okay. So it's a very simple fix. That's all you got to do. I don't know why it doesn't start off that way. I don't know why they always have it checked the other way. Because it took a while to figure that out myself. So I know it was a problem for me, and I just want to let you guys know about it. So, anyways, hope it was helpful, guys. Alright guys, if you guys want to see more videos like this, anything to do with GarageBand on your Mac, your iPad, or iPhone, please check out my channel, All Things GarageBand. If you guys want to learn how to use GarageBand's bigger brother, it's GarageBand on steroids, Logic Pro, please check out my channel, All Things Logic. I'm Jeremy Haws. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Don't do anything I wouldn't do that leaves it wide open. See you guys. Woo!